on a road trip today. I don't know where we are. Where are we?
In San Juan.
San Juan? We're in San Juan. Going to a boat. But we see puppies for sale.
They're not for sale, they're for adoption.
What's that mean? Do you have to pay for the adoption? Yeah, for sale. Oh, look at the puppies.
There's a little Cappy.
Cappy will never be here. Oh, they're tiny. Oh, those tiny ones.
No, Bobby, no.
Oh. Look at that one. I like that one. You can't get too close or else you'll get one. Look, you're like shaking and stuff.
I won't buy one.
Oh my God.
I like that one.
Bobby, what do we do? Do I get a puppy and we just go back to
We have
Do
to.
we just get a puppy?
Cappy Jr.
Cappy Jr.
Cappy the second. Hey, Bubby. Come here, Bubby. Nope. They usually let me. I don't know what's going on. Neza, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing?
Bobby.
Neza.
Leave me alone.
What are you stacking up there? What are you doing?
You don't put fries in your burger?
You don't put fries in my burger? No. What do you mean? What in the world? Are you doing anything weird back there? Nope. Yes? No. Dude, what are you eating? Corey?
Don't tell my mom.
We're going to San Diego right now because JC, on his birthday, he likes to have 80 activities. It's just, that's how he does it. We're going to San Diego right now to go on a boat. I was going to go buy like a captain hat.
Are you going to be captain of the boat?
Yes. But I didn't have time. That's where we're going right now. We're in San Juan. That's where Corey's area is from.
San Clemente, it's close.
She's eating weird burger.
He's mad because I put fries in my burger.
I'm not mad.
I'm doing it too. I want to try it.
Whoa, look at it. Taste test, let's get it.
It's so
Mom,
good.
this is not me.
This is not me eating it. Is it good?
Of course it's good.
I don't eat fries.
Neither do I. That's why I put them in my burger.
That means you still eat them.
They taste good in the burger.
That doesn't mean you don't eat fries. I got a quarter pounder, and we're going on a boat.
What's the difference?
Quarter pounder? Wait, what'd you get? Just a burger?
Beef burger.
No, mine's like real meat.
Mine's the same meat.
No, yours was like slashed off like the side of a hoof.
No, Bob.
All right, I think that's all to say right now. We've been driving for an hour and a half. Still have more to drive. We're gonna go on a boat, and then me and Nez are gonna come all the way back to LA.
Yeah, me and Bobby are gonna drive back.
JC, happy birthday. JC lives right across like a hall from me, pretty much. We're driving 3 hours. Going on a boat to hang out, and then 3 hours back.
Ready to be 6 hours in a car with me? We can talk about our feelings.
Oh, actually, I love that. Talking about feelings. What?
Can you do that on the way back?
Why did you look at me like that? You don't like talking about your feelings?
No, I do.
So what's that face for?
I'm trying to think if we've ever...
Talked about our feelings?
Yeah, we definitely do.
Yeah. Guys, I think it's very healthy. Talk about your feelings. Talk about how you feel. All right, I don't know what we're talking about anymore. So we'll see you on the boat or the next clip.
Alright, hey guys, this was a mukbang. Part 2 coming soon of what happened on the boat.
Dang, we should have done that, huh? Anyways, keep watching. See ya. We're here now. We got all the drinks. But I got my special bag. Doritos, water, Teddy Grahams.
Dude, I can't believe I didn't. I should have brought my Cheetos.
See, there you go. You gotta get your own good stuff. Oh, there's Hawaiian rolls? Dude. There's sandwich stuff?
They're in there.
Really?
Yeah, I made them.
Dude, yeah.
Turkey and ham.
Dude, the good stuff.
Provolone and Swiss.
Dude, I'm stoked now. Let's go. It's time. What'd you say, Franny?
I'm a rich...
Ben's already drunk again. Look, it's a running theme in the vlogs recently.
I literally took 2 sips of this. I just got here.
That's her 5th one. She's eating her hair. She's drunk. She likes to eat hair when she's drunk.
I literally got here 2 minutes ago and I took 2 sips.
Why do you let him antagonize you like
I
that?
look like a rich... I'm actually Beverly Hills yacht mom. You do actually.
You think so? Yeah, I'd say so.
Nobody else has jewelry. Like, look at you styling on us.
Like, you have full makeup on, going on the boat, trying to go swim.
Like nobody else has jewelry. She gets up the boat, it's all green around her. Yeah, that joke landed. Let's go.
Hey, this is the boat. We're going on the biggest sailboat, the whole thing.
Sailboat.
We're going on a sailboat.
Look at the cat. Look at the cat.
Is the cat coming with?
No way.
The cat's going with us? What the heck? All right, this is it. We're going on this. Should be cool. All right, we're on the boat. Pretty cool. A little scared. Everyone was telling their horror stories before we got on the boat, so now I'm a little nervous about it. We're here for the next 3 hours. It's gonna be fun, right? I'm a little scared. Look at this. Dude, this is cool. Dude, this is the chill zone, dude. Dude, the bathroom's just no door. Shower? I'm gonna take a quick shower while we're here. Oh, there we go. We're good. We're good. I'm gonna shower in here. Make some food. JC, happy birthday.
Hey, thanks. How is it down there?
Dude, it's cool. There's like a shower. There's a TV. I just like all the stuff that's just on normal land.
There's a toilet.
Yeah. Boom, we're on the boat. We're out here. We're going. They're just taking pics of themselves. Chelsea's in another world already. We're going. We feel the waves. It's a little wavy out here, gonna be honest. We'll see what happens. So far, so good. It's a little bumpy though. We'll see if it gets to be. Oh, no. Dear God, please help us. Seals, everyone's freaking out.
I love them.
You like those seals, huh?
Oh.
Do you like them?
That's how I feel if I had a spirit animal, honestly.
A seal?
100%.
Slaying around? Yeah, what's that mean? Well, why are you waving to that guy, huh? Go get his number. What the? He's gone. He swim all the way over. Whoa, what is that? Shark!
No, it's a
Whoa, that's a big seal. It's going for the rotors. Look at this return. Look at you. You just melted.
Bro, look at that one. They're cuddling.
They're in love.
Look at those.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at this. Look at those.
Oh,
Look at
hey,
those.
hey, hey, hey.
Look at that. Look at
Dude,
that.
I almost lost it. All right, guys, so I have to take pictures of you guys. This is my job on the whole thing, taking pictures. The whole time. Do it again for the vlog.
I can't breathe.
Oh, really? It's that Do it again for the camera.
Okay.
Really? Yeah. You're like, I can't breathe. I'll do it again.
It's salty too.
I know, I could tell by your face when you first tried it. All right, you have to say a cool phrase and then jump in. Remember the Alamo or something.
saying that.
What? Say something cool.
I don't know what to say.
Summer.
Okay, ready?
2K19.
Okay, something cool.
What the? How is it?
I hate the ocean.
Oh my God.
Is that a shark?
That was good.
It's really salty.
You're not supposed to drink it, Emery. What the? Is it nice?
It's really cold. It's really salty. Taste
JC's birthday! Woo! Corey, do a trick! He just swims for his life. What is happening over here? Guys, this is a family-friendly birthday party. What is going on?
Corey's coming
Well,
in.
Corey, where are you going? What are you gonna do, Corey? Say a cool phrase.
Oh, but don't die.
Oh my God! Yay!
Sydney, baby.
Dude, he got some distance.
The channel now, baby. He's dead.
Go, Corey, do a flip. You're a gymnast. Look at everyone out there. Corey's gonna jump. He's gonna throw a white. He's gonna catch it midair and go in.
2, 1.
Look at him.
Coolest thing, but it
Backflip.
You gotta pose for it.
Oh my God.
You gotta pose for it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my God. Dude, that sounded smacky. Sick. Like 3 flips. All right. Oh my gosh. We're really moving. Franny. Why are you so high up there?
Because I'm jacked. I'm taller.
All right, guys. Up and Rose.
Where does he hold her? Up here?
Yeah. Oh, Franny. You almost put me over. All right, we're out here on the Titanic right now, and
I'm just holding you like this.
I'm flying. I'm flying, Jack. What are you singing? Opera? We're on the Titanic. I'm flying.
What's the song
Dude, I'm
they
bright. Was it bright on the Titanic like this?
What song did they sing?
Not that. No. Dang, how's the Titanic song? No. Take me out to the ball game. No. Wrong movie, Franny. All right, we're not Jack and Rose anymore. Guys, so far, so good. It doesn't even feel bad. And it's good. People are jumping over. I don't know if I'm going. Are you gonna jump?
No.
How come?
Super.
It is freezing water. It's still nice. It's a good vibe. Neza's been on her phone the whole time. Oh, Franny! What is happening? Guys, if you haven't had aquapana, great water. Toast! Speech! Speech! Ricky wants toast! Ricky wants toast! Jim, I'm telling you, this is the wettest water you will ever have. Delicious. The wettest water? Yeah, it's so nice. Yes, it does. You need to drink it, it'll make sense. Wettest water. It's a wet. It's so hydrating. Let's get it, JC, for your birthday. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Emery almost got hit.
Pop the champagne and speak. You don't need to button your shirt.
I am.
You don't need to.
What do you have to say? It's your 5th birthday this week. What do you have to say?
Yeah.
Thank you all for being here. I love you all. It was Chelsea, Emery, Ashley, the other Emery. Had a shot as well. Take it away.
Happy birthday.
Yay! JC didn't call me out. What's going on? Corey, it's me. Corey!
Bobby, I'm so sorry. I forgot. I thought that was Crawford.
What happens on their joint channel? Crawford.
Yeah, go subscribe to CoreyCrawford.com.
.com.org. YouTube. Everyone be sure and go subscribe.
Hey, make sure you go at YouTube.
All right, we're coming in. We're ending the journey. It's looking good. Beautiful view. The sun's going down. And we're at a good time. Chelsea is the queen of the boat. Self-proclaimed, of course. Crawford's been thrown up over the deck for a little bit. Crawford, hope you're okay, man. Oh, he's good. Never mind. He's just taking it in. Whoa, what do you want? What are you looking at?
I was posting.
Franny, he was just staring at your Instagram post.
Story, motherfucker. Posted a story and then it went
Do you
off.
believe it, Franny?
I do.
Oh, that didn't look good, huh?
No.
And there we are. We're back, docked up. It's looking nice. Corey's looking good. Feeling good, Corey?
Oh, I'm just grabbing my shoes and then we can go party.
And then we can go party. That was a nice night. Look at that. That's beautiful. You guys deserve to see this. Can't really see me. Great time. JC, thanks for a good time as always. You're my boy. Much love. Me and Nez are going to drive all the way back to LA. 3 hours. That should be fun. It's worth it, though. That's right. Enjoy. Happy birthday, JC. Part 50 of the week. Happy birthday.